good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome. Today is the first episode of us podcast for the month of April, and it is also our sixth episode. Did you see my new overlay? I mean, my new background and my new logo right here. Ayan. So, that would be our new look going forward. Today, we have a very special guest. He's one of our classmates from Amplify Academy, and he has a brave heart. He's playing LOL, Quadlift, PUBG, and the likes. So yeah, without further any ado, please welcome the one man with a brave heart, Sir Eman B. Let's go!
Dyan. Yan sa ating invitation, pao. Grabe, nakakataba ng puso. Wow, artista lang.
Artista agad?
Artista lang, Peg.
Okay, so
Kaya
kung...
din sino
Yan,
sa
sige.
ating mga at sa ating mga mamzor dyan, na naka-tune in tonight.
So yeah, we're going with our first segment, which is introduction, and please introduce yourself.
Yon, hello sa ating mga opal, sa ating mga mamzor dyan. Again, this is M&B. M&B at M&B Official. So, basically, my full name is Emmanuel Bueno. Yan. So, short lang talaga yung M&B. So, I've been streaming for a year now. Almost, siguro 1 and 3 months na din. Or 2 months. Tapos, yun, I started streaming for the reason of pandemic. Hindi, nag-start ako kasi nung time ng pandemic, naisipan ko na ano yung iba kong pwedeng gawin aside from my work, kasi lahat tayo nasa bahay, di ba? Lahat tayo lockdown noong 2020, and late siguro December 2019 yun, parang doon ako nag-decide na sabi ko parang gusto ko mag-content create, and nag-start ako mag-streaming last 2021 ng late January siguro, or first week ng February. Yon. So, sa background naman, I've been working as a private tutor for 6 years already. So, basically yun yung bread and butter ko. Then, yun nga, right now I'm part of the Amplify Academy as one of their trainees. And yeah, classmate ko to, si Pao Opa. So, yun.
Okay, so that is a very nice introduction from Sir Eman B. So let's go to our new other segment, which is called the rewritten profile or the profile verification. So here, I did some research about you, Sir Eman. We're going to input what is missing, and then you're going to verify what is already there, and then that's
Okay.
it. So, written profile, introducing Eman B. Let's go. Okay, so name is Eman Bueno. Is that correct, or should I make it longer? Mas mahaba pang ano?
Okay lang yan, oo. Kasi
Sige.
actually yan yung gamit kong sa mga social media account.
Sige.
Not the complete name. Pero may isa akong personal account, gamit ko Emmanuel.
Okay.
Huwag niyo i-check yun.
Wag. Don't check it out, guys. So wala kang second name, ah. Just Eman Bueno.
Wala.
Okay, good.
Ang weird nga kasi mga kapatid ko lahat sila may second name. Ako lang yung wala.
Special ikaw.
Peg.
Okay, so IGN name is Eman B. So what is the story?
Yes,
What is the story behind Eman B?
M&B basically, yun yung screen name ko. Pero before kasi ako mag-M&B, meron akong 3 channels before.
Okay.
M&B, Braveheart, tapos yung tech muna. So basically about yun sa music, gaming,
Okay.
and tech.
Okay.
Tapos for a year na hinandle ko siya, medyo parang mabigat siyang dalhin, yung tatlong channel na yun.
Okay.
So I consistently upload to those channels. Kasi YouTube ako nag-start talaga.
Mhm.
Hindi although may Facebook page ako, pero nag-start ako sa YouTube.
Okay.
Tapos, in a year, parang in-assess ko, sabi ko, the purpose of these 3, parang instead na magkaroon na 3 channel, what if pag-isahin ko na lang, di ba? So, I kept the
Tama.
M&B kasi, well, ako naman yung, basically yung
Ikaw naman
niche
yung
na yun.
tatlong yun.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi before, ang ano ko kasi talaga, mag-output ako, magko-content ako, pero hindi ako magiging personal. Kumbaga,
Okay.
medyo fearful ako na makilala ako ng mga tao. Parang ganun. Kaya ako gumawa ng 3 niche na yun.
Okay.
Pero right now, all out tayo.
So, astrological zodiac sign is Virgo. Tama ba
Yes,
yun?
sir.
Okay.
Virgo. Tama.
So, birthday is September 7, 19. Should we reveal ba? Or should we not?
Basta 90s.
Okay.
I'm on my 90s.
Okay. 1990. Something like that. Okay. Kayo na bahala kung ano mag-isip kung anong 19 yan.
Baka silipi NBA natin eh.
Okay.
Mahirap na.
Okay. So, di natin makakonfirm yung Chinese zodiac sign. Let's leave it at that. Height. Do you want to reveal the height ba?
Mukha akong mataas, pero mababa ako. 5'5".
Oh, sige. Okay. 5'5".
Yan, yun ang height natin.
Weight.
Kaya pag nakita niyo ako sa personal, weight ko actually, nung simulang naging 33 ang ating waistline, hindi ko na minokit ang weight natin. Siguro around ako ngayon. Naglalaro ko 80 to 90. Wow!
80 to 90. 80.
Oo, doon ako naglalaro ngayon.
Oh, sige. Sabihin.
Pero target natin maging 70.
Okay, sige. Sabihin natin nasa 85 kasi nasa gitna. And then, blood type.
O?
Blood type O.
O.
O talaga?
Lamuking blood type. Search nyo pa, guys.
Nationality is Filipino, of course. Age? Okay. Hindi natin marireveal yung age. MBTI type, ito. Alam mo ba ang MBTI type mo? Or if you
Nung
don't
last
know.
ko, INFJ.
INFJ.
Nakalimutan ko eh. Pero nasa INFJ ako.
INFJ, okay, sige. That is good naman. INFJ, okay. So, ko-confirm mo lang to kung ito ba talaga ikaw, okay? So, you are 49% extroverted, 51% introverted. INFJ may be the rarest personality type of all, but they certainly leave their mark on the world. Idealistic and principled, tama ba?
Yes.
Okay, they aren't content to coast through life. They want to stand up and make a difference. Ooh. Is that true? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for advocate personalities, success doesn't come from money or status, but seeking fulfillment, helping others, and being a force for good. Huh? True. Okay.
True labels.
Okay, so INFJ confirmed. Okay, so that is it for your
para akong feeling ko kinikiliran ako dito kung ako ba talaga si Eman eh.
Bine-verify lang natin. Mamaya
ano bang kaso ko, sir? May warrant ka ba?
So, let's move on to our next segment already, which is the mini game.
We'll be back in the conversation in just a minute. As you all know, I just made a Fourth Wall page. Fourth Wall helps creators launch their own homepage, shop, memberships, and more, all on their own beautiful, fully branded website. Because of Fourth Wall, I was able to make my own merch and make memberships. My membership starts for as low as $2 up to $10 and has 5 different tiers, which are F class, D class, C class, P class, and A class. If you haven't joined my Fourth Wall page yet, go and join now and you'll have a merch discount when you purchase my merch upon checkout. And enjoy the amazing perks I made just for you guys. Just go to pao-opa-shop.fourthwall.com. That's pao-opa-shop.fourthwall.com.
So our mini game for today is called Hangman. Okay. So Hangman, there's just going to be a missing letters, and you're just going to guess who is the character behind that name, or you can guess the name also if you can guess the letters
Okay.
also, so para mas madali sa'yo. So are you ready?
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay, let's go
Ready,
with
not ready.
Let's go with our first puzzle or question.
At ang gwapo ko dito. Sorry. Wait lang.
Okay. First one, before you start, syempre hindi na kita ilalayo. I will not take you any further. So this is all related to what you're playing, which is LOL or League of Legends.
Oh!
So this would be easy for
Okay.
you. So
Wild Rift yan, ha?
yes, sir. And the first one is
AC.
AC. You have one missing letter, which is
AC.
I don't know if
Ano yan?
I don't know if hindi ko sure kung parehas lang yung, well, I think naman parehas lang yung hero ng Wild Rift.
Oh,
at
pero
ang champion.
madaming wala pa rin sa madaming wala pa rin sa
mobile, sa mobile.
So, mas familiar ako sa mobile. Kasi just to give a background, hindi talaga ako nag-LOL before.
Okay.
And in fact, basher talaga ako ng LOL.
Ayun.
Before ako mag-Wild Rift.
Huli ka.
Yun yung trivia doon.
Okay.
Pero, way back 2020, nung na-announce yung Wild Rift, tapos na-hype ako dahil kay
Okay.
Shinbu.
Okay.
Tapos yun din yung kapanahonan na nahilig ako sa ML.
Okay.
Sabi ko, I'll be doing content on this game.
Okay.
Doon ako nag-commit sa Wild Rift. Pero kung tatanungin mo ako ng mga champion like sa League of Legends, yun, hindi ko alam yung mga...
Yung iba lang.
Hindi ako familiar, oo, kumbaga.
Okay, some
Pero
of
feeling ko si ano to, Zack? Zack ba to? Tama ba? Hindi
Zack.
ko alam eh, hindi ko sure.
So, what is
Ewan
the
ko,
letter?
Z yan?
Z? Okay.
Oo.
Let's see. Zach, is your
Hindi
final
ko sure.
answer? Final answer?
Oo, sige, sige.
Okay. Zach, it
Zac
is.
Efron.
Let's see. Zach!
Oh!
Tama ka.
Basta may naalala lang ako. Pero, again, hindi ako naglo-LOL yun. Naalala ko lang yung champion din.
Okay. So, next one.
Tumama pa nga. Parang kailangan ko Google dito ah.
Next one. Okay.
Oh, ito, di na natin alam to. Wait,
underscore
Zoe to, Zoe to, Zoe.
Zoe. Final
Ah,
answer,
oh.
Zoe.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
Okay.
Nilalaro ko to sa TFT.
Okay, let's see.
Grabe, nasa-challenge ako sa'yo pa ba?
Zoe!
Zoe.
Okay.
Kaya huwag niyo ako tawanan ha, mga opals natin dyan ha.
Okay. So, next one. You have 2 out of 2. Okay. Next one. AS blank blank.
Ash!
Ash. What is the missing letters?
H-E.
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 Okay. Final answer na yan?
Final answer.
Okay. Final answer.
Oh, parang
Ash.
ano
Let's see.
How to be who wants to be a millionaire?
Ah!
Call a friend. Let's go.
Let's go. 3 out of 3.
Baka easy mode pa lang to ha.
Pahirap ng pahirap yan. Pag palayo ng palayo tayo. Okay, next one. Blank. AR blank.
Woo! AR blank. Grabe, hirap daw pag dulo tsaka unahan.
Mhm.
AR. 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 Mark. AR. Parang wala namang bark. Walang bark sa League of Legends.
Mhm.
AR. Grabe. AR, AR, AR.
Mhm.
Call a friend, call a friend.
Call a friend? Sige, call a friend. Sige, sino ba pwede mo i-call a friend? Ngayon.
Sino pa natin tuwagin? Hindi, joke lang.
Oh, sige.
AR. Wala ka bang dyan? Wala kang
Walang-
clue dyan? Anong rate niya?
Walang lifeline.
Wala.
Kahit mangula ka na lang. I-fill out mo na lang yung dalawang letters.
AR. Ano to? Larry.
Larry. L-N-Y.
Kaya tingnan natin. Parang feeling ko alam ko to pero wala. Hindi ko siya hindi ko siya maisip ngayon.
Final answer.
Sige. Larry, the Great.
Larry. Okay, Larry. L-Y. Let's see.
Eh.
Ah!
Hindi ko siya kilala.
Si
ko
Bark.
talaga siya
Pero
kilala.
malapit na yung
Bark,
sinabi mo
okay.
kanina, Bark. Palitan mo na lang ng D. Bark na eh.
Ano?
Sayang. But yeah.
Wala
Okay.
wala kaso dito eh.
So 3 out of 4. Let's go with the next one. RK. Blank blank RK
RK.
blank.
RK. Aardvark. RK. Ba't mga hirap na mga to? Lola
Challenge.
Tato eh. Hindi ko rin to alam.
Sige. Lang.
Kilala ko na to. Hindi, iba yun. Iba iniisip ko. Sino to? Marco? Marky?
Marco o Marky?
Para pa showbiz na tayo Yeah, Marky, final answer.
Marky.
M-A-Y.
M-A-Y, okay. Marky,
Hindi ko rin to
let's
kilala.
see.
Tignan natin kung kilala ko.
Corky!
Corky! Kilala ko.
3 out of 5.
At least malapit na
Oo nga,
Marky,
malapit na yung
Corky.
Marky, Corky. Sayang.
At kilala ko yan si Corky.
Okay.
AD.
So, 3 out of 5.
Dual lane.
Let's go with the
Ano ba
next
yan?
one.
Nagwa-wild trip ba talaga to?
Blank,
Ano
blank,
to?
blank.
Diana.
Ang bilis na sagot doon Final answer?
Oo. D-I-A.
DIA. Let's see.
Parang
Yes,
siya naman
sir!
Yeah, let's go.
Diana! Okay, let's go. So, you have 4 out of 6 already.
4 out
Next
of 6.
one. Blank, blank, blank. AL.
A-L. Ito.
Mhm.
A-L.
Nasa-challenge ka dito kasi para malaman mo din lahat
Grabe.
lahat ng champion.
Oo, sige na, magliligpisin na ako, promise. Pinapangako ko after ng podcast na to. Imagine mo, ilang champion meron sa league?
Ang dami.
200 plus ata.
Ang dami. Tinignan ko nga
Oo,
din.
sobrang dami. So, saan mo kinuha itong mga to? Random lang.
Online, tapos randomly. Can we help? Sige, sure. The viewers wants to help
Sino yan?
One of my viewers, Crow.
Hi, Opal. Sige, tulungan niyo ako.
Frugal. Okay,
AL.
Frugal is her suggestion.
Okay, sige.
Frugal.
Go. Hindi ko rin kilala yun.
Okay, Frugal. Let's go with
Pero
Frugal.
parang narinig ko na siya.
Let's see, Frugal.
Ezreal! Ano ba yan?
Ezreal! 4 out of 7.
Bira naman. Napaka-combo naman yan.
4 out of 7.
Wala.
Okay. Next one.
Meron pa ba? Medium round pa lang pala yun, GMS.
G blank
Ang hirap
blank
pala,
blank
pagkadami.
S.
Ang hirap pala pag madaming
Pangalan.
missing.
Yes, sir.
Oo. G.
Pahaba pa ng pahaba yan.
G.
Anyone wants to help? Okay, I'm sorry, Lord. It's okay, Crow. I think he doesn't know it all. I have to start it there. Okay, Crow. G blank 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 S.
Golden State?
Naging NBA na bigla.
Ano ba topic na natin? NBA naman.
Lol.
G! Ooh! Sana sinabi mo to para pag-review ako
No
Mahirap na lang.
No preparations needed.
G.
Are these characters? Yes, it is characters from League of Legends.
Mga champion.
Okay.
Ang mahirap kasi hindi ko sure kung sa League siya or sa Wild Rift.
No, it's combined siya kasi isang ano lang naman, League of Legends pa din.
Oo, kaso ilan pa lang ang champion sa Wild Rift.
Yun nga eh. Yun
Siguro
nga.
ano pa lang,
Hindi.
1/4 pa lang parang ganun.
Yun nga eh. Wala pa sa kalahati. G
I
blank,
might
blank,
pass
blank.
again. Hindi ko alam.
Ah,
Giannis?
Sige, ganito na lang. Let's reveal we're going to reveal yung letter. Magsabi ka lang ng kung anong letter try natin i-reveal. Okay, Sir
sige.
Arrow Root is doing a suggestion
Oy!
for you.
Basura Ru!
Gragas.
Dito.
Gragas daw. Gragas.
Gragas yan!
Gragas.
Gragas.
Gragas?
Yan na, nagsisilabasan na yung mga ano.
Kaya nga
High tier rank dito.
Kaya nga ayan na eh. Okay, Gragas final answer. Ano na yan? Ako la friend na yan. Okay, let's see. Gragas.
Ayan na. Para akong inaano dito.
Gragas! Let's go!
Gragas.
5 out of 8.
Baron laner at jungle laner.
Okay. So, Gragas.
Yan, ilan pa yung call of friend ko? Tatawag
lang.
pa tayo na madami.
Sige, kahit ilan pa para mas madali sa'yo. Next one. Ay, my God! Na-reveal agad. Na-reveal.
Hekarim, di ko nakita yun ha.
Oo, Hekarim na yan.
Di ko kilala yan si
Bonus
Hekarim.
na yan. Pero ano na yan, bonus na yan. 6. Okay. And the last one would be, wait, let's see.
Nagkabaligtad.
Let's see. Okay. Oh my God, there's only one letter.
Sino to?
Blank, and blank. Patay tayo dyan. N lang ang letter natin.
Inisip ko Miss Fortune kasi hindi yan Miss Fortune eh. Alanganin yung N eh.
Let's see. So, pwede kang mag Wheel of Fortune dito. Sabi ka lang ng letter, i-reveal natin kung meron.
Sige. Letter A.
Letter
Simulan natin sa vowel. Letter A. Wala. Grabe siya. Ini ba na? Letter E.
Letter E.
May E. Ako, pinatayan tayo. Hindi nga pagbayad. Letter...
E.
Ang dami! Sino to?
Sir Arrowroot, if you want to help, mas madali ito.
Sino to? N. Miss Fortune? Hindi eh.
Any letters pa? Sige. Drop ka lang ng letters para
Letter...
Pero pag
letter
nag-gets mo na,
Z?
hulaan mo na pag nag-gets mo na. Ano letter?
Z.
Z as in zoo.
Yan. Zebra. Wala. Letter L.
Letter L.
Hula ako ng hula, tapos di ko pa rin pala kilala.
Wala pa din.
Wala. Siya, ayawan na. Letter I.
Letter I.
Sino to? Hindi ko to kilala.
And no more vowels na. Puro capital letters na lahat.
Letter T.
Letter T.
Sir. Pwedeng wala yan. Wala. L.
Nag-L ka na kanina.
Nag-L na ba ako kanina? Okay, C.
C. Nasa arcane daw. Sabi ni Sir Arrow.
Nasa arcane to?
Nasa
Okay,
arcane.
wait.
Okay,
Arcane,
hindi ka na tinulungan ng friend mo. Kulo na lang daw.
Warwick. Sino pa ba nandun? Bye. Sino pa ba nandun? Jing. Hindi rin si Jing. Caitlyn!
Ang haba naman yan.
Ang haba ng Caitlyn. Ano to? Silco? Hindi ko Silco. Ano to?
Hindi ko pa kasi napapanood yung arcane eh. Kaya hindi ko sure.
Wala, sirat na ako.
Isa pang letter for last fun.
Letter M.
Letter M.
Heimdall?
Heimdall? Malapit na. Unti na lang.
Wait! Kinala ko to.
Tutulungan na kita dito.
Wait lang. Heimerdinger! Yun, let's go!
Heimerdinger?
Let's go.
Final answer? Heimerdinger?
Yes, sir.
Heimerdinger. Yes, sir!
Heimdall, sabi ko sa ano yun eh.
Heimerdinger!
Si Heimdall sabi yun
Yes, sir. 7.
Sa Marvel pala yun si Heimdall.
Out of 10. Naka 7 ka. So, let's see.
Let's
How
go.
did you do?
Pasado.
You
Pasado
did
ba?
good. You did good.
Wow.
7
did
out
good.
of 10. That's
Bueno
good.
is good.
Yes.
In Spanish.
Okay. So, let's go with our next segment, which is question and answer. So, for the question and answer,
Parang ko naman, puputput tayo.
there's going to be 5 general questions. And if
Sige.
they have questions later, we're going to do that also. So, the
Okay.
first question would be, how did you became a gamer? Paano ka naging gamer? Paano mo nasabing, uy, gamer na ako?
Kasi nung 2 weeks old ako sa tiyan ng nanay ko. Kay Mingay.
Okay. 2 weeks old 2 weeks old talaga. Putik na parang hindi ko pa ano yun ah.
Gamer na ako. Hindi, ako naging gamer. Before ako mapunta sa school, si mama, bumili siya ng
Okay.
tanda ko pa yun eh. Bumili siya ng family computer.
Mhm.
Doon ako nag-start sa family computer. Kasi dati nag-work siya. Naiwan kami sa bahay. Yun ang namin. Yun yung pastime namin. Hanggang sa umuwi siya.
Okay.
Family computer.
Family
So,
computer.
Tetris, siya, Tank City. Yung mga nilalagay dati.
Okay. So, doon mo nasabi na, uy, gamer na ako ngayon.
Oo, kasi lumabas yung Game Boy, lumabas yung Advance, SP,
Ah,
PSP. Although wala naman ako lahat nun, pero yung mga pinsan ko meron,
ayan.
mga kapatid ko meron, ganun.
Okay. So, next question. What is the first gaming platform you owned or first gaming device na nagkaroon ka?
Sarili?
Pwedeng sarili, pwedeng yung inyo lahat. Ganun.
Ayun, yung family computer.
Family computer. Tapos yung sa
Oo.
sarili mo,
Sa sarili ko, hindi ko siya masabing sarili, although binigay siya.
okay.
Ano ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nauna, kung PS1 or Super Nintendo.
Oh.
Parang Super Nintendo, parang ganun.
Okay.
Hindi, may nauna pa, Atari. Atari yung
ay,
di
wow.
cambio. O,
Sobrang-
Atari.
Sobrang classic na.
Yun, yung Atari. As in, tinabi ko yun. Hindi ko alam kung nasan ngayon yun eh, pero tinabi ko yun.
Okay. So, yun yung ano mo, first
Yung
mo.
cambio lang yung gamit mo, tapos may
Ah.
button.
Yun nga eh.
Yeah,
Parang nasa
let's go.
arcade ka lang eh, no?
Oo. Yun, Atari.
Okay, Atari and family computer. Okay.
Oo.
And then...
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko malala yung mga nauna din.
Okay. And then the next one, when did you start streaming? Kailan ka nag-start mag-stream?
Kung test stream, nag-test stream ako 2020.
Test stream.
Around August.
Yung first
Pero-
official stream mo?
Official stream ko, parang first week ng February.
First week ng February. What year?
Oo. 2021.
2021. Natatanda mo ba kung kailan yung date? The date?
Hindi ko nga sure kung first week or last week ng January. Basta
Okay.
nasa ganun.
So it's either first week or last week of January 2021.
Kasi diba, nung time kasi na yon, nag-implement yung Facebook gaming na ma-delete na yung mga previous stream.
Ah.
Kaya hindi ko siya na-track.
So, okay. So, next one. What is the reason why you're streaming? Ano yung dahilan kung bakit ka nag-stream?
Unang-una, na-enjoy ko.
Okay.
Tapos, syempre, I myself, as a gamer, na-enjoy ko yung mga laro.
Mhm.
Kumbaga, off-stream, naglalaro pa din ako. On-stream, naglalaro pa din ako. At the same time, gusto ko talagang mag-engage sa mga tao. Yun.
Okay.
I like talking to people. I like talking with people about something, about certain topic, ganyan.
Okay.
And it happened na sa gaming, madami kang pwede pag-usapan eh.
Ah.
Kumbaga, yung gaming very broad siya eh.
Tama.
Kaya ako siya, naisipan na mag-stream.
Okay. So, wala nang ibang reason, yun lang. You'd like to engage with
Oh,
people.
yun. And at the same time, gusto ko rin magkaroon ng kumbaga impact sa gaming industry, sa streaming industry.
Okay.
Not only with gaming, but alam mo yun, makapagbigay ng value sa mga kapwa ko gamers
Okay.
through my knowledge or specific skills about something.
Okay. Okay. And the next one would be,
Miss Universe
what are your streaming goals for this year?
Streaming goals this year, unang-una, to build my community. Yan yung
Okay.
unang-una.
Which is the Mamsters.
Magkaroon ng relevance sa buhay nila in the mobile gaming aspect or in the mobile area. Kasi ito naman yung pinaka masasabi ko na I have grasp of it. It's into the mobile gaming and anything mobile. Yun. And also, syempre, build yung makabuild ng career out of this.
Okay.
Also, to be a talent. Syempre, ng Amplify.
Yes, sir.
Manonood yung mga classmates natin, baka sabihin nila, ibang company. Syempre, Amplify tayo to.
Okay.
Yun. And yun. Magkaroon ng ma-maximize ko yung revenue potentials dito sa ginagawa natin.
Okay. So,
Give me money.
Okay, so that is it. I will give you time. This is your moment to shine, Sir Eman.
Paano? Ay, nagsishine na ako dito. Sobrang
any hidden talent that you want to show us?
Any hidden talent? Nako.
Talent
Not the
portion.
appropriate place. Joke lang. Talent.
It's time!
Hidden talent. Ano bang hidden talent ko? Magmahal lang di ako minamahal.
yung hindi nagagawa ng ibang tao.
Ito weird to.
Okay.
Pero kaya kong patunugin yung joint nung buto ko sa paa.
Sa paa?
Siguro dahil dati na fracture to.
Ano yun? Yung
pero hindi ko lang kung maririnig niya eh.
Ano yun? Yung mga daliri sa paa mo?
Hindi, yung pinaka-joint nung
yung
toe
pinaka-paa?
at saka video. Oo.
Talaga? Sige nga.
Oo.
Tignan natin kung maririnig.
Tingnan ako maririnig. Tingnan ako maririnig nyo
Sige.
Wait lang.
Okay, so...
This is so weird.
Hidden talent yan.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
If you can hear it.
Tig ba?
Ayun, meron. Meron ako narinig konti. Parang ganun. Ayun, okay.
Ewan ko, kasi dati, nung bata ako, nalaglag ako sa puno ng bayabas.
Okay.
Tapos after nun gumaling ako, yun, nagagawa ko na siya. Ang weird.
Ayun. Okay
Hidden
lang
talent.
yun. Hidden talent yun. Kaya mo siyang patunugin anytime?
Oo.
Hindi naman sumasakit yung yung mga buto-buto.
Hindi siya sumasakit. Parang kasi may tumatama.
Okay. So that is his hidden talent. Now let's go with our next segment, which is Fast Talk.
We'll be back in the conversation in just a minute. As you all know, I also made the Buy Me a Coffee page. Buy Me a Coffee is the best way for creators and artists to accept support and memberships from their fans. Because of Buy Me a Coffee, I was able to make my memberships. My membership starts for as low as $2, up to $10, and has 5 different tiers, which are F class, D class, C class, B class, and A class. If you haven't joined my Buy Me a Coffee page, go and join now and you'll have a merch discount code when you purchase a merch on my Fourth Wall page. And you can use that upon checkout and enjoy the immersive perks I made just for you guys. Just go to buymeacoffee.com/paopa. That's buymeacoffee.com/PAOPPA.
Ano to? Wholesome to Walang sex and chocolate dito
Wala. So we have 10 questions here. You just have to choose between the two. So this is going to be 1 minute. 1 minute. 60-second timer. Right, let me just get my timer.
Nakabahan ako
Let me turn off my music. And then we're going to start. Okay. So, Fast Talk starts now. Mario or Luigi?
Mario.
Console or desktop?
Desktop.
Controller or keyboard?
Keyboard.
Dream game night guest. Kung sino yung gusto mo makasama pag naglalaro.
Sino gusto mong makasama habang
Kahit sino,
naglalaro?
kahit sino.
Pokemon?
Okay. First video game you owned.
First video game I owned. Video game as in bala?
Oh.
Sorry.
Sige, sige, sige.
Final Fantasy Tactics.
Okay. Who's your favorite streamer?
Favorite streamer? Powerbank.
Okay. What's your most played game?
Most played game. PUBG.
What's a
Mobile.
game you truly suck at?
RTS, MMO.
Okay. What's your go-to snack when playing?
Chips.
Chips. Okay. In 2022, I will achieve blank through live streaming.
I can establish my community and be one of the talents.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that is good. So, that is it. Okay, so we're already at the end of our segment. So, wait, let me just pull up your page lang para makita nila.
Okay,
Promote
sige
yourself.
yun. Again, maraming salamat Kuya Pao sa pag-invite and also sa ating mga opals at mga moms dyan. Again, this is MD, one of the trainees of Amplify Academy. We are streaming every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 p.m. sa Facebook Gaming, exclusively on Facebook Gaming. Tapos yun, rin tayo. We'll be starting uploading on our YouTube as well. So make sure to subscribe at MNB Official. And we also have social media accounts in TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at MNB Official. Yeah, subscribe and follow.
So, if you haven't subscribed yet, just please do so. Meron na siyang 134 subscribers. That's all.
Thank you, guys.
So, I think that is it for today, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Eman, for
Salamat po, Thank you,
being
thank you.
my,
All of you.
for
Nag-enjoy
being-
tayo kahit madaming
Oh, okay
kahit
lang.
madaming disconnection.
Okay lang yan kasi yan talaga ang live
When life
stream.
happens.
Oh,
Oo.
pag live talaga ganyan talaga. Pero okay yan. Thank you again, Sir Eman, for being my sixth guest for
Thank you.
the podcast. Thank you, Sir Eman, and
Bye
we'll
sa
see you
mga opals
guys.
dyan.
We'll see you guys on our streams. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Eman. Let's go.
Bye.